Hi! In front of me is TCL 40, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. Start by accessing settings and scrolling down. Now you need to select apps section over here and click on default apps. Then select home app and click on simple launcher. After that you need to wait a bit and click on go in this pop-up. Then choose Simple Launcher, click on the switcher next to Allow Notification Access, click Allow in the pop-up, and go back. As you can see, Easy Mode is now on. If you wish to go back into the standard one, you can do that by choosing Settings, tapping on Apps again, Default Apps and Home App. Over here, click on Launcher, and now Easy Mode is off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!